I am going to be giving my honest review on the Yunteng tripod. I've been using this tripod since 2021 and this is like the 4th year and it hasn't failed me, not even once. So I'm just going to walk you around the tripod. This is how it comes initially. It's this short, but you can expand it by just opening these, and then it can also go down. It has, I'll go down. Okay, so you can release it. You can release it here. This, you can tighten it and release it. This is the height, but it actually goes a bit higher than this. So with this you can set it like this to create, like a high view video. One thing I love about this tripod is that it is so versatile. You can use it both for your short form videos and your long form videos. It comes with this phone holder right here, and it is so strong and sturdy. And then it's strong, but it's also rotatable. Okay, let me bring it closer. You can rotate it. It's easy to rotate. And then it also has this part where you can open for your videos. You can turn it, use it for your vertical videos and your horizontal videos. You can also, if you want it to be higher or if you want it lower. This I love this handle because with this you can rotate your video 360 literally. And then if you want it to just be one place, here you can just tighten it here, and once you tighten it here, it's not going to move again. See that? And then this handle, this is what you use to rotate it. You can also use it to create high view videos and low by just rotating it like this. So it can rotate up and down and also sideways. I really love this tripod. And if you're thinking of a tripod to get as a beginner content creator, I'll advise you to definitely go for this Yunteng tripod. What's written here is Yunteng VCT 590 RM, and then it has the number. Let me just bring it closer so you can see. Yeah, this is a very good tripod that you can use to create both your short form videos, your long form videos for social media and for YouTube. It's so strong that you can also use it with your cameras. It's not just for phones alone. Okay, so this can expand really wide, and it grips your phone very tightly. So you can make it short, you can make it long, depending on what you want or the kind of video that you want to create. So yes, do I recommend this? Definitely. I recommend this Yunteng tripod for beginners who want to start their content creation journey. It has a very steady grip on the ground. It's not those kind of tripod that is wobbly. Sometimes I hear people say, oh, a tripod, I just bought it 5 months ago, 3 months ago, and it's broken. And honestly, I cannot relate because I use this. So if you want to start your journey, I'm going to include the link in my description where you can get this for yourself on Amazon or in other stores. Okay, so just check my description, and I'm also going to include other good tripods that you can get for your content creation. Let me know if you found this video helpful, or if you want me to do more videos like this where I can review other gadgets that I have, or other content creation gadgets and tools that I have gotten, just so that you know which one to use and which one not to go for. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.